Greetings, it is January 1st, 2022. Happy New Year. Alright, this is the short version. I did one that's like 2 minutes, 30 seconds or so. This is going to be a minute. Sightseeing with Dignity, Pro-Life, Human Rights, Tolerance, Education, Art Service, Artwork 49, which I did in December last year, just recently. And finished the framing the other day, which includes a piece of wood I found on the pavement or sidewalk, I forget which, last year, which I took home. Has this like cartoonish like face on it. And it actually said something, I couldn't make out the whole thing. FAC, kind of looks like face. That's mounted there on the frame now. Alright, in memory of DonnieChin, a great local activist in Seattle for troubled and homeless youth and teens in Seattle's International District. Shot to death, sadly, in 2015 with the allegorical monsters or sea monsters I drew. Gun horror. Alright, there you have it. Minute and a half.